Ka BJP ka larai ban ab ka jing pemara batik na katanat election jong ka India shaban pembanai ke Kyrtong jong ka ha ka election shiteng samoy ha ka Shillong parliament ka ban salong shen. Unong keren ka BJP UM khar kerang ulaya thua basaw na sangut kinong yalam ka seng kila daban pan apply na ka banta ka tiket. Ha ka juko por ka Indian National Congress ka lapan banai u Vincent H Palaku mu Kyrtong jong ka kadbar ka National People Party ka thumuban penyang u Dr. DRL Nonglat bat ka Voice of the People Party kalapan banaya bat scam merbo kum ka Kyrtong jong ka.
So, what is your take? Like, is it possible here to
That is a
the
sum.
future?
That is a sum. I really don't want to say much what's happening around the states, but whether it be implemented in Meghalaya or not, I think so. I'm not the right person for you to ask. I think so. Our chief minister, who's heading the government, will be the best person to answer that.
And so now recently have been price hike in this petrol and diesel.
Yeah.
So like people are saying that this is because of the BJP government and elections. There have been a lot of
No. See, this we are dealing with a geopolitical situation right here, okay? And the government has been trying to prevent any hike in the petrol prices to the extent that oil companies are incurring losses worth of thousands of crores every day. And it has come a time they will not be able to sustain themselves anymore. So this is happening throughout it's a worldwide phenomena, and because of the crisis in the Middle East. So I think so. It's not isolated to India alone, and it's a worldwide phenomena. So I think so. We have to accept that. So